Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm just making basic pancakes. I have some yogurt here, I have some flour here, just a cupful, I have milk, I have 1 egg, I have a pinch of salt, I have some baking soda, and I have sugar, yeah, this tiny cup here. Then I have these 2 bowls where I'm gonna be mixing my butter. So without much ado, let's quickly mix our butter and make some pancakes. So the first thing you want to do is crack this egg. You can just scoop out this yolk because it's what we're gonna be using first, and then in one mixing bowl then we put it there. So after this, then you're gonna be adding your yogurt. Then we're gonna give it a stir. Then the next thing you want to do is gonna go in and put my flour together with the baking soda, and then the dry ingredients, a pinch of salt, and then my sugar, and then I'll just lift it up like this, and then I add it to my mixture. You can alternatively do this separately, or you can just do it the way I'm doing. You can take your whisk and whisk your butter. Now you can go in and add your milk. Perfect. As you can see, this is the mixture. This is the egg white, so we just do like this. This will give you just the required amount of air in our mixture, and that's about it, and our butter is ready. That's our butter. It has air bubbles in, and it's ready to be cooked, so to medium, and then you can just go ahead and just scoop, and then I cooked my butter there. Then I'm gonna wait for it to have some bubbles here on top. So far, so good. Just a swift shake there, and then it's cooked. Then you can turn it. Perfect. Okay. Our pancakes are made, and here is the best part. You can go ahead and just add some best part is here. Look at that, yeah. Nice pancake, well made. I'm gonna take a little bit more, and yeah, so that's how you make nice and cute pancakes. Very easy. It's a very simple recipe, and you have yourself a beautiful morning with pancakes. You can make this for weekends, for your kids, for your family, and yeah, have fun with it. That's all I had for you guys today, and I hope you loved this video. If you loved it, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more recipes. From me, it's wonderful day to you all. Bye guys.